In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the something went wrong error in Google Gemini. First, make sure your internet connection is solid. Gemini needs a stable connection to work properly. If things seem slow or flaky, toggle your Wi-Fi off and on, or switch to another network like mobile data to test. You can also try loading a couple of other websites or streaming a short video. If those struggle too, it's likely a connection issue. If you're on a public or work network, be aware that firewalls or captive portals can interrupt access, so switching networks can quickly rule that out. If the connection looks fine, give Gemini a fresh start. Close the Gemini tab or app completely, wait a few seconds, and reopen it. On mobile, force stop the app before relaunching to fully reset the session. If the error persists, restart your phone or computer to clear any background processes that might be interfering. Next, check for updates. Open the Play Store or App Store and install any available updates for the Gemini app. If you're using Gemini in a browser, make sure your browser is up to date as well. Updates often include bug fixes and compatibility improvements that directly address these kinds of errors. If you still see the message, clear your cache and cookies, in your browser, go to Settings, then Privacy or History, and clear cached images and files along with cookies. On mobile, you can clear the app cache from your device settings. Keep in mind that clearing cookies may sign you out of some sites, so have your logins ready before you do this. Now, confirm you're signed in with the correct Google account. It's easy to have multiple accounts active, and the wrong one can block access to certain features. Click your profile icon and switch to the account that's tied to Gemini. If you're using Gemini in a business or cloud environment, make sure you have the necessary permissions and that your organization hasn't restricted specific features. Sometimes the issue isn't on your side at all. Gemini can experience server overload or temporary downtime. Give it a little time and try again later. You can also check Google's status dashboards or community forums to see if others are reporting an outage. If none of these steps resolve it, reach out for help. Visit Google Gemini Help or the support forums, describe the error, and include your device, browser, or app version and what you've already tried. That information speeds up troubleshooting, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Gemini tips and tutorials.